Tomorrow we have the Quinton Natchef Quintet live on our stage. We have Maceo Parker on tape and plenty more news. Right now, I'm going to call Jeff over. Jeff, come here. Jeff, come here for a sec. Hey, sweetheart. How you doing? How you doing?
I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay.
They call you Muscle Sacks. What does that mean, man?
I don't know, man. There's somewhere along the line, there's W that, and it just stuck. So.
What's up with Loose Cannons? What kind of current projects, future projects can you tell me about?
Well, we have every Monday night at the Paddock, as I mentioned earlier. We'll be there every Monday night from 10 o'clock. We do it tonight, actually, so we do this all over again. We spread it out a little more, add some new tunes to the repertoire, and hopefully we'll be around more for the summer, going into the fall. And the project's changing and growing as time goes along, and we're really excited about it. And, we're introducing new music into it, and it's just, it's a great time, It's a really good time, so I'm looking forward to it.
You guys sound fabulous. Can you play us out, please? Great, thanks. All right.